Oh, I manufacture parts out of raw material. Just whatever the print says, we make it. You know, we have our own line of machinery, so whatever they need. My name is Jerry Berghammer. I'm a CNC machinist. Well, I started out in the construction business, and then it kind of started to fail, so I figured I needed something more stable and went to machining. I started off washing parts at a company and cleaning machines. And then they started teaching me how to run them. So most of my experience has been through working with machining. I take and I write GNM code, and that's what the machine reads to be able to manufacture your pieces. So like if you have a print, you got to give it geometric locations to go to for your tooling, like a tool path. Yeah, manual machines, they're very similar, but they run off of the same coordinates. But I mean, everything you do on a manual machine, you're doing yourself. Like you can feel the drills. It's a little slower process, but so you do usually like some of your intricate parts that are small, or just small run. You run that on a manual machine because it's able to switch the tools out. Whereas with the CNC machine, you can run multiple pieces. It locks your program in. And with the manuals, there's really no programming. It's just like you go to your location, and then you do the process, I should say. Yeah. All right, the skills needed would be math, communication skills. Attention to detail is very big. It's not something you learn, that's something you just do. But mostly math. I mean, a lot of it's got to do with geometry, finding angles, radiuses. I like seeing a finished product. I like, taking a chunk of material and turning it into something that's usable for whatever. Once you figure it out, your imagination can make anything. You draw it out and turn the steel into this piece, and it's interesting. It's fulfilling.